Sparkling salt art. Fun and easy craft for kids. Do you know where and when salt first appeared? Well, it's been around for thousands and thousands of years. That's so long ago, nobody really knows who discovered it. In Japan, people have been using salt since the Jomon to the Yayoi period, which is about 3,000 years ago. Salt has always been super important. Long ago, people used it for cooking and to keep food fresh so it wouldn't spoil. In ancient Egypt, salt was even used to preserve mummies. It's also been part of many traditions and cultures all over the world. Today, we're going to do something really fun with salt. We're making colorful, sparkling salt pictures. Here's what you'll need. Some salt, a spoon, food coloring, glue, and paper plates. You'll also need one container for your colored salt, and another for any extra salt. First, let's mix our food coloring into the salt. Once your colors are ready, take a paper plate and draw a picture using glue. It can be anything, wavy lines, a fun pattern, or even your own design. When you're done, remember to close the glue bottle so it doesn't dry out. Now, sprinkle your colored salt over the glue. You can switch colors in different spots to make your design extra colorful. Then, gently shake the plate so the salt sticks to all the glue. Pour the leftover salt onto another plate so you can save it for later. If you want to try something a little trickier, go ahead and make a more detailed design. Simple patterns are easier to see, but you can experiment with any shape you like. Slowly, your colorful design will appear, and it will sparkle beautifully. And that's it. We just turned plain old salt into an amazing piece of art. Let's enjoy salt in a whole new way. Thanks for crafting with me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more fun DIY projects.